Today we're going to review this Magnifier desk lamp. In the box we can see our Magnifier desk lamp, the instruction manual, a cloth, a big clamp on the back, and also the USB power supply. The desk lamp has a 3-section extra long swing arm that you can adjust to find your perfect position. It's very sturdy, also comes with a large clamp that you can attach to your desk. It has this ring LED light. Using the remote control, you can control the color of the light for a warm 6800K to a cold 4500K. You can change also the intensity of the light. You can make it very bright or less bright using the remote control. So let's get started. We can do crafting. You can see the lens doesn't distort the object, so it's very bright and clear. You can read much better fine prints, as you can see in this example. You can use for sewing. As you can see, the fabric is much more in details and close, so it's great for sewing. This is the no tip over stability clamp stand. It's very sturdy and your desk lamp will not move. So that's all for this review. Check links in the description and see you next time. Bye bye!